case. We be crushings here. Go ahead, you can crush it up if you want. I think that one's more white than blue. Look at that. Flowers in the snow. Cool. We be crushing, making a drop-in appearance on my live. Say hello, husband. You can say hello, husband. They'll hear you.
Hello.
Go ahead. They're covered in cornstarch. Squeaky, squeaky.
Just follow who? Who should just follow?
Me. Because I'm the host. Yeah, you gotta put your mask on if you're
Somebody
staying.
said couple goals.
Yeah, this one's white if you want to still crush one. You're done? You crushing? Yeah, it's a little dusty in here. Yeah, see, these are beautifully blue.
No, I don't want nothing like that.
You can take a piece of the moon if you want. That one's white. These are blue. See? And they're crispy.
And get back to your business.
And open my surprise. I'm so sorry, Caitlin. I will be posting this, I always do, so I'll edit and post so you guys can see it. Ooh, look at that. Love it. Oh, you got me this glitter. You are so sweet. A little gift thing. I love that. My favorite, laser peacock blue. Tops. Fio glitter. This is, I think, pour that out for Sweet Dusty. Throw me those likes, those hearts. If you like what you're seeing, we're doing a tribute to Sweet Dusty Mahogany Shawn from our community. This is Dbreezy Crispy. This is Leo Bro. Go grab you some. Support local. Tell you a sec, Crayola. Dbreezy, Breezy brand. I gotta go spend time with the hubs, so thank you guys. I know, Crayola. I know. Pouring the rest of my Renfield out for Shawn, guys.